In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock somebody on Snapchat. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you want to unblock someone on Snapchat, what you can do is, first of all, open up your Snapchat app, and then you will be on this page here, and then from here, you will need to click on your avatar in the top left corner. And then once you click on that, you will be on your main profile on Snapchat. So from here, what you need to do is click on the settings cog. And then once you click on the settings icon, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find an option for blocked. If you click on the blocked option there, as you can see, all of the people you have blocked on Snapchat will be listed under this section. And to unblock them, all you need to do is simply click on the X. And then as you can see, are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? If you are sure you want to unblock them, you can click on yes. And then once you click on yes, as you can see, there is no blocked Snapchatters, and the person you have just unblocked will be removed from this list. This is how you can go ahead and unblock somebody on Snapchat.